So guys, how are you? In today's video, I will show you how you can download additional tools in Kali Linux using one click. So let's start our video. Before that, my name is Soham, and if you are new to Linux, then you will face this problem. In today's video, I will bring up with this solution. And one more thing, before we start my video, if you go to playlist section in my channel, here I have created a playlist new to Kali. Once you watch this playlist, this playlist is fully beginners playlist who is new to Kali. If you want one, you can watch it and subscribe my channel also. Let's start our video. Uh, Before that, I am using Kali Linux. If I go to application section, and here if I show in tab information gathering, vulnerability assessment, and you can see so less amount of tools. This is not sufficient amount of tools for doing penetration testing. So in today's video, I will show you how you can download additional tools in one click. So start our video. uh okay, first open up your terminal. Guys, I will advise you to use root terminal. Move to switch to sudo terminal. See guys, I have switched to sudo terminal, and you have to paste this command. I will give the command in description also. Apt catch search Kali Linux. You have to paste this command and press enter. After that, here you can see some things are there: Kali Linux ARM, Kali Linux core, Kali Linux default. And I am telling you which you should install. You should install Kali Linux large. This is the sufficient. But in Kali Linux there are many tools. In Kali Linux repository contain many tools. In Kali Linux large, here you will get the important tools only. And if you want to install all the tools in Kali Linux, then you have to install Kali Linux everything. It will install all the tools. All the tools means all the tools. And here you can see I will install Kali Linux large. Let me to copy this name. This much is only sufficient. Only Kali Linux large. Then paste the command apt install. Then paste the command Kali Linux large. And let me to show you the site, guys. It will newly install 500 tools and other necessary packages, and it will take 2 GB of internet, and it will take 6 GB of your space, hard disk space. If I show one more thing, okay, I'm showing you, but if we install Kali Linux everything, here you can see in Kali Linux everything, you will get all the tools which are present in Kali Linux everything. For that, I want to only show you, but Kali Linux large is sufficient for everyone. You can go with Kali Linux large. In Kali Linux everything, thousand thousand and two 1300 newly tools will almost install. It will take 7 GB of your internet, and it will take 14 GB of your disk space. Kali Linux everything contain many tools. That's why it doesn't recommend Kali Linux everything. Kali Linux large is sufficient. And after clicking Kali Linux large, here you can see, do you want to continue? You have to press Y and enter. Guys, if you get any kind of error, here you can see, if you get any kind of error, what you have to do, you have to go to my video section. Here you can see this guy's error. If you get any kind of error, this kind of unable to locate package,
So
then
guys, how
you
are
have to
you
you watch this video. In
today?
this video I have
Okay,
given
before
you solution if any kind of problem you are getting. You see guys, all the tools will install automatically. Guys, for this video, till this much only. Let's meet you in next video. Okay, goodbye and take care, and subscribe my channel also. Goodbye guys.